Abajibo mu district ya Kasese hamwe na ya Rubiriza nyanja ya George batonguze huru yo kwagira President Museveni n'ababine bendera y'ekibina abwe birunge byabakorire.
The support of constructing a road to DRC which will ease the exploitation of fish and fish products to DRC, thus fetching a lot of money.
Abantu itungo kumwarebe agency enyanje tarufu batakuveya nebiwe tukubeza twafi hapa stwine muyembe stwine dodo yitune mfuku emiyembeze yitune mutoma nji mwagire so nyanza umuntu akuzanda nyanza okunaba yatumara
twatwaraninga emyaro tureba abakama b'amato tweba omubaliya naro mushoyi twebwa omugurubizi akusikeryato abakusikamato twinona bantu numbareba barahari akubona bantu ko butimba.
Lieutenant Joel Warisimbur RDC wa district ya Kasese nagira ngo abateze bakaruro bunubwo bwire bwo kumanya hibatwire nibiho buhereza.
Muganda agamba ngoli wa government give and take yotawala tobanjayo. Twagala olunaku luli olwa 15 sagala otunule kintu kyonna bakafaananyi kamuntu wegende eno kakonge weteka mu basi.
Ababwanyuma beyongira mwatano gwa Uganda na Kongo mukatare kampondo kandi Lieutenant Mase tukahirwa komanda wa Fish Protection Unit nagera nkwiha yagaruza katare kebyenyanja kurwo mu yangari ya Kongo habire mpinduka y'amani.
President wange okukiriza na supportinga akatale ne kakoma wano mu Uganda. Twali tetufuna musoro enguuto zifa town council yali efuna milioni 6 na jawano ngefuna milioni 5 naye kati simanyi council obe collecting sente meka simanyi.
Sudanese, they were the people whom we think they will not enjoy the market. They had a lot of problems. They were reporting this and that, prices, vichi. All of that was been put the bottom line. They are now okay. They have no problem with us.
Omugandi makuru district ya Mtomo kwa sirebendera yo mnyishenjera bwa Mitoma North Athakazora asibire na shera karuro muri kabera aho abahagibe bamwakira na kari. Oguna habira abantu okurebeka ngo bahagera program za government kibahwero kurwana sobworo.
Twagira ngo umuntu akwate faraga bona bahagire umuntu ogu abakunda imipira minyeto timu hagitera mu group stages nebe tine chance yo kuzafa finals tuzafa finals akaruru tukakahereza aka NRM twakakwasa honarebo Athakazora
umuruhinda South hariho ndijo orkwija kuzayo akashyikiriza ebyo abo kuba n'inyenyene manifesto hariho ndijo n'umwana wanyu atwerire Athakazora.
Hona nashaba abantu kwijo mbwinje bakire President Museveni arukuza kuba nashera karuro mu district ya Mitoma ebiro bishatu byo kwezi kwa 12.
Konkandi yo nimba hati nyemerira kubagandira ebi movement mukama witu president ukwankwasize manifesto kandi bya manifesto y'inashomere ibintu kwenda kugambira movement ibyo kwenda gukora riyanga.
Amakuru agasha kwa Gilbert Muhanguzi.